All right, in this video, I'm going to show you a trick that I learned in college in a math theory class. And I don't think a lot of students know this. And it's an easy way to tell if a number is prime or not by using the square root. So for example, I have a list of prime numbers from 1 to 100. So all the colored squares are your prime numbers. All the squares with a white background are composite. So we can see that 97 is a prime number here. So 97 on the chart. So if we didn't know that and we wanted to determine if 97 was prime, we can use what's called the square root trick. So what we do is we take the square root of 97, and the square root of 97 comes out to be 9.8 around. That's around 9.8. So what we do is we round this down to the first lowest integer. So that would round down to 9. And all we have to do is check the prime numbers that are less than this number. So all we have to do is check 2, 3, 5, and 7. If 2, 3, 5, and 7 don't divide into 97, then 97 has to be prime. All right, so for example, 97 is an odd number, so it's not divisible by 2. 97, when we add the digits together, we get 16. That's not divisible by 3. 97 doesn't end in 5 or 0, so it's not divisible by 5. So if we check 7, 97, 97 divided by 7 comes out to something that is not, doesn't go in evenly. It's 13 and 6, 7. So it's not divisible by 7. So we can stop there and we can automatically say 97 is prime. All right, let's try a bigger value. So let's see if 667 is prime. So we're checking to see if 667 is prime. All right, so we're going to take the square root of 667, and that comes out to be around 25.8. So I'm going to round it down to the nearest integer, so it's going to round down to 25. So that means that I have to check up to 25. So I have to check the prime numbers to see if they're divisible into 667 up to 25. All right, so if we go through this list here and check this, so we get a much smaller list to check instead of students getting frustrated and going and not knowing when to stop. So if we continue with this and we check these numbers here, none of these go into 667. And then if we check 23, 23 goes into 667 29 times. So that means 667 is not prime, it's composite. So again, we're checking all of these numbers now, all of these primes, and we're stopping when we get up to 25 here, the first, so 23 would be the last number we check. All right, so this is good for students that are working with factor trees, not sure if the number, reducing fractions, things like that, not sure if the number's prime or not. So it's just an easy trick to teach them. So hope you found this video valuable. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.